Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma haka khandai terik rempang balala ula ong bana kaliang ke sorkar kala penkre ya commission ban kentiu halor ke jingseng hiki kam ki jam lajong haka Jylla kata ada ke jingkreshan pisa syaki palat arpo hajar ngut na kebenta ban seng hiki kam ki jam lajong lingba ke jingarap ka bahap hapo ka CM elevate ula ong bahakini ki lai saus nem ki banwan na kaliang ka sorkar kan ajing arab hadu kumba palan arpo hajar ngur ki bakwa banseng ya ki kam lajong boper ha ka Jylla ula ong baka sorkar kalapan kre hadu kumba lai spa kelur na kabenta kani ka skim bat hadu nyo pusan bat ban yarab ru ya ki nong sengkam ha ka baya dei bat ki tiar kitar bat ki weipar ki jingkershan kenang ban penti kena baka kam kani syakman ula ong kum ka sorkar ngingej baka roy ka par jong kari ka Jylla kan urlong tangling ba ka jingkentiu ya ki jing trekam lajong bat haki jing trekam ba shiment ne private sector ong CM haba ai jingkran haka prime Meghalaya expo hasilong kumba saw phongor ki nong yo jingarap lingba ka CM elevate haka tei ka program ki layo jingarap ban shnai ka multi purpose swimming pool bat gym futsal ground bat basketball court kumju kinong yo jing mentoy lingba ki weipat ki skim boper ki badai shibenta jong ka CM elevate ki kenthop ya ka jingarap pisa lingba ka Meghalaya agriculture warehouse scheme Meghalaya community facility center scheme prime agriculture response vehicle Meghalaya tourism vehicle scheme but Meghalaya motor caravan scheme.
As a government, we have believed that an economy of a nation or economy of a state can only be driven with entrepreneurship and with the private sector. Government's role and responsibility is primarily to create the ecosystem, to provide the policies, the incentives, the infrastructure, and a system so that entrepreneurship can then thrive. And hence it is with this clear-cut strategy of ours from the beginning of MDA 1, we have been stressing on entrepreneurship as the main driver of the economy and main creator of employment in our state. We need to start creating a culture of entrepreneurship. A culture of entrepreneurship involves finding opportunities, being able to recognize an opportunity when you see it, having the desire in yourself to be able to take that risk, to take advantage of that opportunity, and having the skills to be able to analyze and calculate what is a calculated risk or not. And therefore, when we have programs like these, where we are promoting, celebrating, and creating the culture of entrepreneurship, we want entrepreneurs to come together. We want you all to talk to each other. We want you to share your experiences with each other so that maybe something bigger can be created. This is maybe one of the most aggressive entrepreneurship programs anywhere in the country today, where we are allowing you to come up with any kind of proposal that you wish. And of course, we will screen them and we will support even up to 75% in subsidy to help you establish that particular business. Apart from that, we will be supporting and guiding you in terms of giving you all the logistical supports, all the intellectual support, and all the kind of administrative support that we can give in order to see that your business is able to really flourish and you're able to take the economy forward, create more jobs, and this is what CM Elevate will do. In the next 3 to 4 years, even before that maybe, we are targeting to support over 20,000 entrepreneurs in different businesses at different levels, which has never happened in the history of the state, and in fact, maybe one of the largest programs in the whole of the Northeast states, and definitely one of the most aggressive programs in any part of the country. In fact, as I said, this is the most aggressive and progressive policy that we have seen from any state government in the country. As the saying goes, that it is very difficult to beat a person who never gives up. And that's really the essence of entrepreneurship. It's very difficult to beat a person who can never give up. or who never gives up. So an entrepreneur never gives up. An entrepreneur is a person who will face many difficulties. You will come up from those difficulties, you will improve yourself, and you will become a better person and a better businessman and a better entrepreneur. And that's because you will believe in what you do. Because you have a passion in what you're doing. It's because you know that your idea is great. Yes, your challenges are there, but the idea is great and you never give up. And that's really what a true entrepreneur is. And hence my last message and the most important message to all of you is, no matter what challenges and difficulties come along your way, a true entrepreneur is a person who will face those challenges, will never give up, and will 100% strive towards achieving success. And that's what we are here to award today. We are here to award you, we reward you and give you awards, because we believe that each one of you deserves a pat on the back. We believe each one of you has proved that you are a shining example of an individual who will never give up. You will be role models for the rest of the youngsters who will look up to you and say, I would like to be like that person.